Hola y bienvenidos a Madro Cinco. This week we are talking about parts of the body and how to talk about pain using the expression tener dolor. So remember, tener is to have, and then dolor is pain. So we're going to use that to talk about, like, have pain in your head, pain in your back. For the parts of the body, the page numbers jump around. So there's like different chapters of the book have different like sections of the body. So just make sure you check all the page numbers. Okay, and then the other big thing this week is that we have the first pronunciation project. So we have the pronunciation practice again, which is the videos going over the vowel and consonant sounds. Then for the assignments, we have the homework packet like always and the quiz like always, but instead of the regular speaking assignment, we have pronunciation project number 1. So remember that for that project, you're just going to be reading that text and aiming for clear pronunciation. I really recommend, if you look back at your previous speaking assignments, if you haven't been getting like full marks, like 15 out of 15 on the pronunciation section, you want to think about, reaching out to me. We can do a Zoom, we can do phone call, whatever, to just practice it together. It will be really helpful for you to read it out loud, like with me, or you can go to the tutoring center. But yeah, especially if you're getting on the lower end of those pronunciation marks, like, because this whole project is about that. So like, think about making an appointment with me. We can go over it together. And other than that, that's all of our assignments. Good luck y nos vemos pronto.